Ever been in a room so quiet you can hear a pin drop? Now imagine a low, persistent hum instead. Welcome to the mysterious world of the Taos Hum, a phenomenon reported by the residents of Taos, New Mexico. This hum is a persistent low-frequency noise, almost like a distant diesel engine idling. But here's the catch: not everyone can hear it. Only about 2% of Taos residents report experiencing this enigma. And it's not just limited to Taos. People around the globe report hearing similar hums, from the UK to Australia. No definitive source has been found despite numerous investigations. Some propose geological causes, others suspect secret government operations. Yet the Taos hum remains an unexplained auditory puzzle. For those who can hear it, it's a relentless symphony of the unknown. For the rest, it's a silent mystery of the world we live in, the Taos hum. A sound that whispers more questions than answers.